Hello, this is Skywarp's Hangar, and today we have Beastman from the Mega Construx Series 2 line of mini action figures. And yeah, he's pretty cool. I was lucky enough to find him along with his wave mate, Tila, at 5 and below. I wasn't able to find them in any regular stores while they released, and they seem to have popped up at 5 and below. So I picked them up from there, which they're pretty cool. Glad to have them in my collection. But yeah, Beastman is pretty cool. He comes on a base, as you can see, and this base comes in 3 pieces, just like so, just like a Legos. And basically what you do is you grab your little nameplate, you put the green piece on the top there, and then come back and put this little piece back there so it holds it all stable and everything, and you can peg your action figure's feet into the base and he'll display there without falling over or anything. Holds him pretty well, as you can see. He comes with his whip accessory, which is a piece of soft plastic which is movable, which is kind of cool. These pieces come off, but I haven't taken them off. If I'm not mistaken, this piece is as well, but they come with they come attached to them out of the package, so you don't have to put them on yourself. But yeah, they're pretty cool. As far as articulation, whoops, hold on. Beastman can look up just a hair, he can look down, he can turn his head, and that's about as far as he can turn it. That's about as far as he can turn it that way. Oop, what was that?
That was his bracelet. Armband, whatever. Ugh. Alright. Work with me here, work with me.
He can move his shoulder up about that high. He does get a 360 wind-up pitch. He gets, looks like a little bit less than a 90 at the elbow. And he does have a swivel at the wrist. He does have a swivel at the waist. And his legs can go out about that far before they start to pop off the ball joints there. He gets a 90 degree at the knee, and he does get a little bit of swivel because of that ball joint at the thigh. But yeah, pretty cool little action figure. Now, paint apps mileage may vary on the paint apps. As I said in my last review of Tila, typically when I go to get the Mega Construct figures, I pick up as many figures and compare them as possible. That way I can get the best paint apps for my figure, because like some figures, they'll have some paint that that misses its mark, and you get the same thing on the face on some of them. So I tend to compare different figures and pick the best one I can. But this one's paint apps came out pretty good, as you can see. Looks pretty cool. Yeah. If you want to take a look at the back of the figure. But yeah, pretty nifty. It definitely looks like Beastman. It's a good throwback. So yeah, I'm happy to have him in my collection. If you want to see him next to some wave mates, we already showed you Tila, and over here we have Skeletor. Focus. Yeah, so there we have Skeletor, and he's next to Tila, so you can see how he compares. They run about the same height. They're pretty cool. And I guess I didn't give you a close-up of his whip accessory, but it's pretty simple. It's just a soft plastic, has a handle, and yeah, just the whip. But yeah, it feels good in his hand. Yeah. Yeah, that is our review, and if you like our review, please click like and please subscribe to our page to see more reviews from us. And for one of our viewers, we have a Guardians Rising booster pack. That first one to redeem it, it belongs to you, and we hope you enjoy.